So most people spend way too much money every single month on a website. So I want to make this quick video to show you the latest sale, the latest deals, and the latest coupon codes to get what, as far as I know, is the absolute best price on the entire internet for making a website. And this applies to both Website Builder as well as WordPress. So no matter what you're doing, this is a great way to make a website. So from my laptop right here, you can actually click on the link in the top of the description. You can copy and paste it, or you could type in santrelmedia.com. So SANTREL media.com/discount. Like I said, this link is also in the description and in a pinned comment, and that will bring you to this page right here. And now here's where it kind of splits. It depends on if you're making a website from a builder or from WordPress. Like I said, you're going to get the best deal on either one, but you'll see that on the top. If you just click on services, you can go to manage for WordPress. If you're trying to do e-commerce, there's also manage for WooCommerce, or there's the website builder. So like I said, any one of those three, totally fine. I'm just going to go with the WordPress one right now, just to show you. So if you say claim deal, so first of all, you're getting 2 months for free by going through our link. I'm going to choose this plan right here, $2.99 per month, but it's going to be even cheaper than that once we enter the discount code. So you can see right here on the right side, you'll see you have a coupon code. Now you can type in Santrel10 and say apply, and now you're getting 4 years. So on the left side, 48 months, 4 years of your website for a grand total of $129.17. Like, that is incredibly cheap in my opinion for a website. So many people are spending, $20, $30 per month for a website when you really only have to spend a couple dollars a month. So then from here, you can click continue, enter your payment information, and you're ready to go. Like I said, this is for WordPress. The price for the builder might be an extra like $1 per month, but you can use the exact same discount code Santrel10 as long as you're going through our link down in the description. It's also in a pinned comment. And as long as you do that, you'll be getting this deal for 4 years of a website for less than $200. I think that is absolutely incredible. But if you ever need help with your website, by the way, I have full tutorials on the website builder as well as WordPress. I'll link those in the description as well. They're all on YouTube, no paid courses or anything like that. Just wanted to make this quick video to let you guys know what the best deals are. Thanks for watching, and maybe I'll see you in the tutorials.